Alright, it's that time of year again. Time for the 2020 fireworks stash. Beer virus kind of took a hit on my bank account this year, so fortunately I had a lot left over. Picked up 4 Hurricanes. They were on sale for $15 a piece. A few glitch hops. Leftover pirates. Decided to try the barely legal lock and load 5-inch this year. Got tired of waiting for the platinums. Picked up a growler. Still have quite a few of the roosters. My spot's got Planet X this year, so we got some new stuff from them. And new this year from World Class. More leftovers. Some new stuff. Somebody actually gave me this stack here. I'm not sure what they do yet. Loyal to none every year. 3 of those. Still got the monster trucks. Had it for a few years now. May or may not use it. They don't make them anymore. My racks up there. Started cutting down Excal tubes and plugging them instead of screwing them down with the bases. Just have to make some racks. Zip ties. Got some sparklers for the kids. And a bag of miscellaneous shells, some Excals. I don't know what else is in there. It was also given to me.